This video nga pala, punta kami sa Medina. Breast magnet. Actually, managed by my sister. So, ayan.
Hours later.
Hi guys, today is Saturday and we're here at the beach. So hi guys, if you want to know how to dress up or change clothes when you're at a place where there's no bathroom or comfort room where you can change clothes, you just have to follow what I'm doing right now. I'm changing clothes here at the comfort of our cottage. Let's just pretend that I'm wearing my maong. This is Jeffrey's jacket, and I will wrap this around my waist, so just like this, and then I will zip it, so just like this. And then yeah, you can just undress yourself here and without them knowing. So just unzip that and voila! Thank you for watching. Narinig ko, sige. Muna ka, Jeffrey? Muna ka? Oh.